we're starting left from right, right? From the left, you see that these are currencies. On the left, I don't like trading these top two a lot, and you'll notice that a lot of the educators on Go Live, they won't use these pairs a lot because they're exotic pairs. They're pairs that really move very weirdly, and they're also pairs that maybe not move at all. But I like trade. We will trade a lot of the known ones like USD/JPY. You're trading the U.S. dollar. You're trading the U.S. dollar against the Japanese yen, right? So here you can click currencies. You have commodities like gold, like wheat, like silver.
Okay.
Let's check what they got actually. So okay, I click crypto, commodities. On here on Raceoption, they just allow you to trade gold and silver.
Okay.
So if you'll sometimes you'll see them. Oh, we're gonna call. Call means buy. Call means buy, and put means sell.
Okay.
So whenever they say buy gold, call gold, it means you're gonna buy it.
Okay.
Okay. So we're gonna go to currencies, and I'm gonna take off your live account. I'm gonna go to a demo.
Okay.
Actually, they don't let you here. So go on PO Trade on your phone. You have pocket options, right?
Do I? I don't know.
Download it real quick. We're gonna create a demo account just so you can see, so
no.
you can take some trades. It's called PO Trade.
So I gotta look for
PO Trade. Yep, it's an app.
Oh.
Currencies.
Pocket option brokers. That's what it is, right?
Yes. Oh, actually, no.
No?
Cancel it.
It's already installed.
Okay, it's okay. Go to PO Trade, literally. PO Trade.
P-O. Is that one word or no?
Yeah, one word and then trade. It's pocket option, yeah. Oh, well, you might not have it on Android. Oh, it's whatever. You have Raceoption. It's better. It's way better.
Okay.
So you can't use a demo here, but look, I'll show you. So you press this button to see outside, okay? So let's say you do a trade. All the trades will be turbo, all right? There's a thing called turbo, intraday, and then long-term trades. You're going to learn that in the academy. But for now, let's say you want to take a trade, and you always want to look at the ones that are paying the most. If they're paying under 7%, don't do it. It's like, why would you risk 100 to make 60? Okay. You want to risk 100 to make like 80 or 90, you know? That's how it works on HFX, on binary options. In 1 minute, you can make $10. You can make $1, $10, or $100, depending on your account. You have a nice account. Okay. All right, but again, starting off, because you're going to be trading this, take little trades like $10 trades. Okay. So you're risking $10, and if you win, you're going to make 18. If you do like 5 trades or 10 trades, you can make a lot of money with little amounts. Little amounts. So in order to chart, you're going to have to learn how to chart. And I'll show you how to chart. It's very simple. You go here. You use a website called TradingView.com. TradingView. Let's go chart. Now, TradingView is everything, bro. TradingView is like, this is where we do everything. So currently you are on, let's see, which one's paying out high? 82% is great.
I got 84 too.
80 GBP USD. Let's do. I like that pair. It's a simple pair. It's a pair that doesn't move like crazy. It's you can easily detect it. It's not the point for it to be easy, but you know, GBP. So we go to GBP USD. GBP USD. Go to the top one. FXCM is a good broker. You're going to learn about brokers also. See, this is very easy to watch. Very, very simple. All right, so I like plotting. You always want to plot. There's a guy named Christopher Derrick. He's an educator in the company. He's been involved since the beginning of the company. And he's been trading for a long time. He's a vet. He's a veteran already. He said that there was a point in his trading career where there was 6 months he didn't trade. All he did was be very good at drawing. You have to be a master drawer. Everybody that I get involved with this, I tell them to draw, become a beautiful like master drawer. What is drawing? You always want to look here. You want to do. Remember what I was talking about to you about the lows and the highs. Yeah. The floors and the ceilings. The correct term for it is support and resistance. So
we just funded his account with $1,000.
so look, you can change everything here. Live.
Seeing you. Seeing you, bro.
Let's just make it a little
There's
darker.
been so many stories, but I've heard stories of people that turned $1,500 to $3 million in like
Okay.
3 months.
All right.
Here it is.
Yeah.
It's happened.
Now I'm talking to him. He's the one doing it.
Yeah.
So yeah, look, the only reason I would draw it, like this is the first thing that caught my attention. Yo, these lines, you can see them throughout the whole market.
Okay.
So we're on GBPUSD just because we're looking at it for here, right? Now in your academy, they're gonna go over how to use a tool called the Liberty Scanner. You're gonna get good at that too. But right now, I just want to show you this real quick. So get good at plotting these charts. These charts are everything. And again, do you see why I would draw it there? Because like
The points, the 3 points.
yeah, they touch. Boom, boom, boom. If you zoom in, like I'm on the daily chart right now. If you zoom in, you can see that even though it broke this floor,
Mm-hmm.
it went down, but again, it touched. It's like trying to break it.
Yeah.
So look, we draw a new one. Just draw here, whatever. If you zoom in, you can see how it kind of just messes around in here. And again, you can draw a lot more. Like this is infinite. Like it's crazy. We're only on the daily. You know, you see how it kind of just stays in here?
Yeah.
And these lines aren't really lines. They're imaginary. They're more like areas. They look more like this. You know, I like going over this with new people because like the academy videos help you, but there are times where that's why we're here. Like that's why we're here. Like that's the whole point. So if I can do something to help you better understand this, hell yeah. So again, it's not really line. It's more like an area. You feel me? Because it's not always gonna be perfect. Look at this one. It didn't really touch it.
Where? What are we looking at?
This long ass. It's
This
called the
little-
wick. It's called the wick. You see how there's like a long line coming down?
Yeah.
It didn't really touch this like perfectly, but it did touch it.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying it's more like an area. It's not really a line.
Oh.
Let me see.
These right here are heaven, bro.
Yeah, they're very good.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? Let me get one. I'll get one in a bit. So yeah, so look, going back to where we are right now, these kind of just touch everywhere. Again, they're not always gonna be perfect, but see how it touched here? It's crazy. This happens throughout the whole market. Okay, let's go back up here where we are. Okay, see how this was a ceiling at one point?
Yeah.
See?
That little red one.
Yes, this little wick. It's called a wick.
Yeah.
You're also gonna learn about candles. This candle.
Yeah. Candles are like these big.
Yeah, the candles are every single one of these. Every single one of these is one day because we're on the daily chart.
Okay.
So these are all candles. Every single one of these candles, when it's red, it means it closed. In one day, each candle closed. If it's red, it closed under the price. If it's green, that means it closed above the price.
Okay.
It means it closed bullish
Yeah.
for the day. Bullish means going up. Bearish means coming down. Bulls and bears. So if you're going Wall Street, literally, if you go to Wall Street in New York, you'll see the bulls and the bears there. Because they've done this shit for years. We just didn't know about it.
Yeah.
Thank God for the internet, man. It's crazy. So I could draw one here. You can move it around. It's not going to be perfect, you know, but again, look. You kind of just, look, you can draw another one here. You got to get good at this. It's, look, I'll show you. The only reason I would draw it there is because, like.
Can I watch too?
Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Come. What we're doing right now is looking at a pair. Oh, yeah, Gary wants me to.
Oh. Got you.
Make sure it's like on the screen.
You're recording it for future reference.
Yeah, Gary wants me to record it. So we what I was showing him is that we're looking at we're trading options. In options, we love options because when somebody gets involved, we want you to make money, bro. Like we want you to make money. Like and fast money isn't necessarily a good thing, but you want to make your money back.
Yeah.
Like you feel me? You want to make your money back. Plus, bro, I got my friend involved. His name is Josue. He didn't want to talk to nobody, so what he did was like, yo, I just want to get involved for the trading. Now he wants to tell everybody because he's making money. He's been involved for like a week and a half. Yeah, because like, yo, he understands the value of this. He's like, yo, like, what the hell? Like, I made my money back. Now I want to tell my boys. I'm like, yeah, bro. Look, I was telling him that you go here for currencies. You always look at a pair that's paying more than 70%. You know, that's what Naz told us. Naz is one of the guys that's like,
Yeah, that's what he was just telling me. Cause
dude made $15 million in
the
an
girl
hour.
was like 75%. He's like, I'm not gonna take it. And then like 5 minutes later, she's like, oh, this is a bad trade. So.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. Sometimes they change. 75%, even better than what I was saying. So anything under 75, you don't want to take it. This one's at 84. So it's GBP USD. We clicked on it, and it brings us to this chart, right? So look, you're going to risk $10 to make 840, but this is in minutes. Okay, so because you're going to make money quick, I was just showing him how you have to be really good at drawing lines, support and resistance, floors and ceilings. That's what they're called, support and resistance. Because if you can see where the next point is going, look, I'm on the daily. I shouldn't even be on the daily for this, but I just wanted to show you guys. Now I'm on the 4 hour. You can see these trends everywhere. Yeah, you see? Look, boom, touch, touch. Let's draw another one. That's the floor. Now we have our ceiling. You see how it just broke this area? Look, hold on. Again, they're not perfect, but the market's going to do whatever it wants to do. Like, even if you think, oh, it's in here, the next place it's going to come down here, it could go up here.
Okay.
Our job is to, like...
Are you understanding this?
A little bit.
Yeah, it's okay.
A little bit.
Have you watched the videos?
A little.
Little, okay, it's okay.
Little by little.
So this is more like a refresher,
I
but
might just do what you said.
that's why I love keeping it simple. I love keeping, because look, if you can be a master, there was a guy, I was telling him right now, he was one of the founders of the company. His name is Christopher Derrick. I'll send you a good YouTube video about him, that he's in the company. He's the top leader. He says that there was a point in his trading career, he was already making 6 figures, but he was a point in his trading career where he was like, yo, I'm going to just stop trading. All I'm going to do is get very good at drawing support and resistance. This is support and resistance. See this?
So he makes it for other people or something?
No. He's doing it on his own. He was just trading for 6 months. He was just trading, getting very good at doing what I'm showing you right now.
And that's what you're doing.
Yeah.
To become good at making the charts.
I'm explaining it to you. So again, support and resistance. This is what it is. We're on GBP USD. So we already drew this. Okay. This is where we are right now. This area. Look, it touched. Look, I'll show you. It touched here. It touched on this one, and it touched here too. But if you just drag it, it touched here also, and it touched here also.
And I can see that the money is going up and down.
Yes, right here, yeah. But what I'm trying to show you is that, look, it just touches completely. It's crazy how it does that. See that?
Mm-hmm.
See how it just touches all these spots?
Yeah.
I'll show you another one. Whatever. Oh, okay. So I'm on the 4 hour, now we're going to the 1 hour. And then you can see here in more detail. Now we forgot about everything else. Now we go here. This is where you can start to execute trades. Boom. I drew it here because, look, it touched in the past here. Like, people overcomplicate it. It's really not that complicated. Like, it touched here. Touch here. See how it touched here? Touch here?
Mm-hmm.
You see that, Willie?
Touch
Touched?
that line where we're talking about this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, and then it touched here too, but it broke a little bit, and then it came back
Yeah.
down and touched it. Like, you can kind of see it. See, and then you can move this, because again, it's not perfect. Boom.
Yeah.
You see how it kind of just touches?
Yep.
And then it touches here, and it shoots up. It retests, it touches it. It's like testing it. It's trying to see if it's good.
Huh.
So I'll move it. Boom, it's testing it. This is called a fake out. This is what the fucking banks are doing. We're competing with them dudes.
Alrighty.
We're competing with them. So boom, it touches again, and it just shoots down. It breaks to the next level. It hits right here. So this is a level. It just formed. Boom. And then it touches. So again, these lines aren't, again, they're more like areas. So at one point it was a floor. It broke, and now it's a ceiling.
Got it.
Now it's like, okay, what is it going to do? Now this is where we got to be like, okay, what's it going to do? Let's go into the 15-minute. Because if you're going to take executions on binary, you're always going to be in the 5, the 1 minute, or the 15-minute. So this is where you should be. Gary's a beast at this. He kind of just got to the point where he can just be like, okay, what is it going to do? Boom, boom, boom. He makes money. He makes money in front of all of us. It's funny as hell. Yeah, people are like, yo, my cousin was at my house. And my cousin Kenneth, and he kind of just like, he simplifies it. He like makes it real simple for him. He's been trading for like 3 weeks, right? And my other cousin Brandon, he's like, it's a little more. It doesn't stick to him too much. He's like overthinking it.
Yeah.
My cousin Kenny, I leave, I go drop off some shirts, and I tell him, yo, just use my account. He makes me $100 in 40 minutes. And my cousin Brandon's just like,
And when I need some shirts made, I'm gonna go to
yeah, hell yeah, I got you, bro, hell yeah. So again, like, look, I'm gonna do it here.
This is a demo. It's actually moving.
No, this is real. This is the real live account. This is a real.
on your computer or his computer.
But this is TradingView. This is the live markets. The market. These are the live markets. But you can't trade on here. You could, but you have to.
But this,
You're just
okay.
seeing the market.
Yeah, you're moving. You're seeing the markets move up and down. Boom. So look,
And you learn from watching the videos, like.
I've been doing this for 3 years. Yeah, I've been trading for 3 years, but I got involved in the academy a month ago, and I thought it was smart because, bro, if you can help others, like, or just bring them into it, like, you can build a team around it and just build wealth, residual income. All right, we're in the 15-minute. This candle is bullish. It's moving upwards. Let's see. Okay, now we're in the 5-minute. Now we can see things a little sharper. See how it touched here?
Yeah.
And it touched here, and it's like, look, you can draw another one here. You can move it up a little. See it touches here? It touches here. Touches here. This was a ceiling at one point. This became a floor. That's crazy. You see that? Do you see it?
This was the ceiling then.
Yeah, because like it broke down here, and then it became a ceiling.
Okay.
Here, tell me what happened. Like literally from here to there. Tell me what's happening.
So it went the ceiling, then it broke.
And then what? It
Went
touched that
down.
floor.
Went
Down.
and it came back,
Came back up. Well, this is broken right here because it's not touching neither one, right?
So you could draw more lines there. Watch.
Yeah.
You can draw more lines there. More support and resistance. You could draw one here. You get me? Look, now it's stuck in here. You see that? You could have
Yeah.
traded up and down in less than minutes, bro. These are 5-minute candles. That means every single one of these candles is 5 minutes. That's why
Oh,
you can
shit.
see it moving fast.
Oh,
This is
shit.
HFX. That's the power of HFX of binary trading. Quick. So if
Quick.
you get good at drawing these fucking lines, easy.
Easy.
Not easy, but because you got to get good at
But
it.
no, like you get a more of a strategy. Like,
Yes.
all right, like the strategy. Like, all right.
So
I know that's
bringing
gonna break.
us back to HFX, to binary. So this is GBP USD. We're still on it. Okay, it looks different, but watch. Go on GBP USD. So if it's at the top, what would you do? Sell.
Stay at the top.
Yeah, but like here it touched and then it came down. Here it touched and it came down. Here it touched and it came down.
So
So you would sell.
you'll sell.
Ideally, but again, we don't know what's gonna happen. This could go up. So let's look at the bigger time frames. Let's see what's gonna happen. In the bigger time frames, you see
This
this.
time frames, is it after or before?
down,
This
right?
is after, right? After
What do you mean after?
the time frames. Like you're doing this 15 minutes after
So
or 15 minutes
what
before?
the time frame means is just a candle.
It's
So
okay.
now that I clicked on 15, every single candle is 15 minutes. When I click on this is the same exact graph, but look,
Okay.
now I go to 5 minutes. Now every candle is 5 minutes. You can just see more detailed.
Oh, like this expands more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, now let me go on the fucking 1 hour. It's the same graph, it just looks different.
Yeah.
You see it? It's the same exact thing. Same exact thing I just showed you.
Okay.
But just a longer time.
Yes. Now every candle is 1 hour. So in this
But
1
it's these
hour,
huge bulks right
yeah. So in this 1 hour, you could see there's a bunch of little 5-minute candles. There's a bunch of little 15-minute candles.
Okay.
So I'm on the 1 hour. Now you're gonna go to the 15-minute, let's say. See how you can see more detailed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so again, ideally, if it hits this, it's gonna come down. Ideally, because it's within this area. Ideally. But again, you never know what could happen. I'm in the 15-minute right now, watch. I'm gonna go to the 15. This is called the doji. That's why doji. Another thing is you're gonna have to learn candles, like what they mean, what they can do. And people study this shit before us, like thousands of years already. Like people, this has been a thing, you know. So
That's that, like the.
see, look, it hit the top, and look, it's coming down.
It is. That's like what the book you guys put on the group chat.
Oh, you were reading it?
Not yet, but it was. I saved it.
Oh, whatever. It refreshed, but I could do it easily. Boom. Boom. Okay, so again, it's not gonna be perfect, but you see why I drew all those there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah.
That's coming
See,
down.
if you would have took a sell right there on HFX, just in like 20 seconds, you would have made $5 or $50 or 500. Here, look, this area right here, this right here is this. This.
Okay.
So if you would have sold it up here like we said it was gonna do, you would have made from right here, from this area,
Mm-hmm.
in 30 seconds it would have came down like it is right now. And you could have took a trade, you could have called a put. Oh shit, it's coming down. So just, it's tanking, watch. See? That's crazy. See? Now we're on the 1 minute. Now you can see things better. If you would have took the sell up here, you would have been up.
Oh, sure.
Because we can sell and make money. You're not actually selling what you have, you're trading it. You're betting on it to go down. Look, that shit just keeps going down.
So we better now to go down.
Now it's halfway. Don't do it. Like if you ever don't try to catch trades. Don't chase anything.
Oh, no?
It's like anything in life. Like you chase a girl or a guy, like never chase anyone, because then they'll be like, all right, bet. Yeah, I got you. Yeah,
Then it's a trap.
It's halfway. Yeah, it's halfway. No, don't chase anything. But look, you see how there's look, boom, boom, boom. Now look, crazy how just
Oh shit! Now it's going up.
Why? Because look, you drew your trend line. I mean your support and resistance, and
Oh, the little. Yeah, got you.
you saw how that happened.
Yeah,
It's crazy how
that was quick.
Mhm.
Shoot.
If you would have took it like we said, I should have sold and made you money right there, but
So now we just wait.
I would have got you the 1,000.
Damn.
Yeah, hell
Would
yeah.
have paid you back right back.
Well, you saw that, right? We were right here. We said, hey, it's at the top. It's gonna go down.
All right.
And what did it do? It went down. Again, it could have gone up, but our intuition would have been like, oh look, here is a trend.
For 22 minutes right now. But I think it's pretty good. I'm put on YouTube.
Okay,
And put on the chat.
look. You know, again, they're not perfect. This isn't something that's perfect. You know,
Yeah.
it doesn't always do what you want it to do, but this is a trend. There's higher highs and higher lows. You're gonna have to learn that too. Higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, higher lows, whatever. Like, let's say we for the purpose of education, I guess. And there's a boot camp, bro. Like, you have access to the academy. Wow, you have so much access. You have access to Manny Quinones. That dude is a beast when he goes over stuff like this. Like,
Yeah.
because of your login, because you have access to this, you can go on his website and he has a boot camp that teaches this stuff. This stuff is simple.
And that's all of one of the academies.
Yes. But you go on his website and he has a boot camp that teaches you exactly what I just said, except he details it beautifully. He goes over everything. And when you have a day, like on a Sunday or something, like you said,
I might do that just from scratch, just to learn.
you have
from
access to him
the
because of the academy. You know, he's a top income earner in our yo, Manny, what is he? Is Quinones? He's a chairman 250? 100K a month. All because he shared this to help others.
100K a month.
100K a month.
Yeah.
Yo, and then just trading alone, 6-7 figures a year. I don't even want to like speak on that, but like a lot more like.
Yeah, bro. I mean, yo, listen. You see what we have in our hands, bro? Why wouldn't you share this? You know what I'm saying? Like I'll feel invincible when I share this information. Like if you don't see it, it's like I'm sorry. Like
Yeah,
That's crazy
Alright.
how you can.
yeah, bro.
You wanna go back to work? I understand.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know. So again, when you saw it here, up here, you go straight to here, and we were up there, and what you would have done is called a put. I mean, not called a put. You would have pressed the put button. It's a sell.
Yeah.
You would have been up, mad
Yeah.
money. Whether you put in 5, 10, 20, 50, a million.
And disclaimer: it's not to discredit anybody that has a job. It's just that like we're exchanging our time, our most valuable asset for money. Unless you love what you do, like you said, like if you do what you love, you'll never work a day in your life. But if you have a job, there's nothing wrong with that. But if it's your only source of income, then it's a problem because the second you stop, your income stops.
Yes.
And it's on all levels. Even a lawyer. If a lawyer says I'm not going to take any appointments next month, they're not making any money next month. An investor, having the investor mindset, that's that 5% of the world, that 1% of the world. They should learn how to turn $1 into $2. They learn how to make their money work hard for them.
Basically.
Like they say, like the logo, make money in your sleep.
Yeah, it's like if there's 100 people in a room, you know, like that 5%, they're eating the pies while everybody else is fighting for the crumbs. That's the sad reality, and people need to become aware of that. Like
Right.
some
Very
will, some won't. It's just the way it is. But I'm gonna end this right now. It's a 25-minute, pretty good tutorial done by Adrian Medina to our head coach and future
Yeah.
head coach of head coaches. You got Will, the Prince,
Prince, future
So-
world champ,
soon to
future
be
chairman.
heir of the throne, and Adrian Medina over there, already getting to work, already getting busy on the next student.
So
You want to end it with something?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm gonna put it on YouTube.
just honestly, bro, just keep studying. I promise you, it'll pay out.
definitely.
Like it's like Gary's been doing this shit for 2 years, and then it took him 2 years to clear like I don't even want to say how much, but like a good amount of money that the same that he made in a year, you know, in 4 hours. So I mean, just keep studying. I don't know what else to say. It's like the power of fucking compound. That's it.
All right.
Yeah.